If you believe that getting an H-1B visa is the only way to work in America, I'm here to tell you that there's many other ways. I'm attorney Jennifer, and I'm an immigration attorney here in the United States. I've been an attorney for over 15 years, and I'm going to tell you all the different types of work visas you can obtain. So, of course, we'll take a minute to talk about H-1Bs first. H-1Bs are temporary, non-immigrant visas, but they do allow you to be in the United States for a 3-year increment, and you can then renew it for another 3 years. H-1B visas are for specialty occupations. They're tricky visas because even though your career may require a bachelor's degree, it may not actually be a specialty occupation. H-1Bs are also tricky because if you are subject to the cap, then you must apply and be selected in a lottery in order to be able to file your application in the first place. TN visas are very unique visas for people coming to the United States from Mexico or Canada. TN visas are a really great option for people that qualify. The only tricky part about a TN visa is that only 26 professions qualify for the TN visa. However, if you fall into one of the 26 categories of professions that qualify for a TN visa, it's a great visa to come to America on. A lot of people come to the United States on an H2A or an H2B visa. These are visas for temporary or seasonal work. An H2A visa is for people engaging in agricultural work. So they might be working on a farm or in forestry, whereas the H2B visa is for people coming to work, for example, at a ski resort just for a season, or at an amusement park or a vacation spot in America. A lot of people apply to come to the United States on a J-1 visa. J-1s are really unique because there's all different types of J-1 visas. Sometimes people come as an au pair, in other words, a nanny, under the J-1 program. Other people come to the J-1 to obtain temporary skills to take back to their home country. So they may be working at a ski resort or as a banquet hall server or at a restaurant to acquire basic skills that are then going to benefit their home country when they return. Yet another type of a common J-1 visa is for advanced researchers. So, for example, someone who's working on a PhD may obtain a fellowship and be on a J-1 visa at the university doing high-level research for their profession. O-1s are another option to come to America and work. O-1s are particularly great for people who are in the creative arts and creative industries and fields. O-1s are for people who have accomplished great things in their careers. So O-1s are great options for barbers, chefs, videographers, models. Would you like to know if you qualify? Text us, YouTube, at the number above, and we'd be happy to book a consultation so we can see if you may qualify. Not very many people have heard of a P visa. A P visa is another great work option. A P visa is more temporary in nature, but it's great for people who are coming to the United States either for a cultural engagement or for a short-time performance. Another great option to work in the United States is the R-1 visa, which we love doing at my office. An R-1 is a religious worker visa. There are different types of religious workers. You may be a pastor or a minister and qualify for an R-1, or you may be pursuing a religious vocation, such as being a nun, which would qualify you for an R-1, or you may simply be a religious worker at a church or other religious entity or organization in the United States, and you may qualify for an R-1 visa. So you've heard all of these possible work-based visa options. It sounds like alphabet soup, and you may be wondering, what do I actually qualify for? What is the fastest? What is the cheapest? And what is the best for me? I totally get it. I've spent years studying and learning the law to understand which are the best options so that I can help my clients. Take a moment and text us YouTube at the number above me. We'll be happy to help you book a consultation appointment so that we can discuss all of the possible work-based visas with you and determine what's going to be the best option for you. I'm sure you're worried about booking a consultation because you've heard that lawyers are expensive. I don't want you to worry. We're flexible and we offer payment plans in my office, so please make sure that you give us a call to book your consultation appointment. I'm attorney Jennifer Bennett, and I am an immigration attorney here in the United States. I've been an attorney for over 15 years, and I've been helping immigrants to come to America and to work lawfully in America, one visa at a time.